Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have for you a simple Hanukkah DIY. Before we jump into this, I just want to ask you if you please could subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit the bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. For this project, you'll need a tray. I picked this unfinished one up from Michael's, 3 mason jars. I used some coins that are Hanukkah coins, some Hanukkah Jewish stars. I also got this pack of 12 dreidels. I also picked up this CHANUKAHDECOR chalk paint in the color Serene. So this is how I did it. To start, I have flipped my tray over and I'm removing these hooks on the back to hang this. I'm not going to be hanging it, I'm using it on a tabletop. And I'll put some felt on the bottom just so it doesn't scuff up my furniture when it's on for display. I'm gently sanding over where I pulled those hooks off. Oh yeah, I almost forgot to take off this sticker. I don't want that because I'm going to be painting the entire tray. And now I'm just going to start painting my tray, making sure to get all the cracks and crevices so that none of the brown wood shows through. The star ornament has this cap on the bottom, which we need, so I'm gluing those on so that they're secure because we're gonna now glue 2 stars together and then we're going to glue it to the mason jar lid, and you need that cap to provide a base. We're gonna glue 2 together and we're gonna do this 3 times. We're gonna have 3 mason jars with 2 stars in each. Then I chose to use some bling wrap around the rim of the mason jar. I thought it just looked really pretty. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. I found it most easy to start gluing this in small increments. It just makes it simpler to get the bling wrap on evenly and without getting it stuck to itself. Hanukkah's coming early this year. It starts December 2nd, so we gotta get rolling on getting the decor set up for it. The bling wrap is on my lid. I'm gonna put that circle piece back in and glue my stars to the bottom. Repeat this step for all of your stars. You see, the first time here I added way too much snow. You really only need a little bit of snow for this project because you don't want to cover your ornaments completely. And this is how it came out. And here's how it looks, guys. Here's my Hanukkah setup with the tray. I have my coins spread about, which is Hanukkah gelt, and that is chocolate circle coins, and the dreidels spread out about the tray. Thank you guys so much for staying with me and seeing how I did my Hanukkah DIY. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you enjoy DIYs and all this good stuff, don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye.